What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl Relaxy, and I am here with another banger video. You don't know, so enough people want to know what happened after birth. So obviously I did a video before my birth and delivery experience. So this video now I'm going to give you an update on what happened after you give birth. So like after you give birth, 1 2 3 4 months after that. So I'm giving you an update on what happened to me. I can't speak for everybody else, I'm just speaking for myself. So the labor and birth delivery experience, I'll be tagged that in the description box. So if you never watch that, you can go and go watch it. So guys, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, well now wait pan. With no further ado, as I promised, I am going to tell you what happened to me after birth. So after birth, 4 days after me give birth, I did a C-section. Emergency C-section. After I give birth, I develop pressure, which is an elevated pressure. Pressure, when you test it right, you test it like no, and they like 50. And by 4 more minutes time, I test it ideal 200. So that for me is an elevated pressure, and I tell you now the pressure they are normal because you know make me head feel no weird, you know make me giddy, or you know make me not, it just happens. So when I test it just so that pressure they can't let me down at any time. So I was on 2 medication, and that go away last month, which was July, and it's still not gone because sometimes my head feel certain ways, and me have to take pills. So I was on this medication. Me still have to jar them, and if I can see it, so yes, I was on this, and I was on a next medication for pressure. Obviously having pressure is really bad, so me still have medication then. So my head feel now where I'm take my medication, so I calm pressure. So I have baby April the 2nd, and 4 days after the 2nd, that I would think I 6th of April, my pressure like up there. So then you have me on the hospital clinic. So like every week me have to go down there to check my pressure. Every time I go to check my pressure, the pressure still up. Whenever they are already showing no progress, but they have a pressure machine, so I'm checking myself. So really show no progress till last month. But if you stop eat salty food, this that I don't know where you drift which pressure thing, and it's less thing with like sugar, maybe less sugar and this and that, me feel work back. Cut down off a whole lot of stuff what I love. Because I love sweet things. I love taste salt in my food. So yes, I love salt. So I have to cut down on that. So I develop pressure after giving birth. And another thing again, I have a joint pain in my wrist. My 2 wrists. I don't really remember what they call it, but they say something like mama giant, something like that. I don't really remember the name, but the doctor they have one different name for it. I think it's a D word. I don't remember. So I developed that before me have baby. I did feel a little pain, but after me have birth, no, after me give birth, it come more severe. And me have one access in my hand here, so that I think when they give drip in them access to who don't know, but they have one in here. So probably I don't know if I hit like chip me bone or what, I don't know, but it get worse on here. So I can't really do nothing much with my hand. I can't like wash much, or I can't like squeeze stuff, and I can't do a whole lot of things. I know so I have baby, so I hold the baby. So when I hold her, kind of push on my hand and all in something, them really I feel like a pain. I'm still a feeling now, but the medication again with that. I still have to take medication because they say Panadol for you. Still, I'm not really seeing no progress with it because my hand still hurt me after 4 months. Now my hand still hurt me. So that's one of my experience. And alright, after I gave birth, I heard that my belly I go hungry. I go feel like I want cow and something, but obviously that didn't happen to me because if I try to do C-section, I don't go through a whole lot of things that people go through, because some people tell me say like when they give birth and the baby come and suck them breast, they feel pain at their belly and something. But I don't go through. I know if it's because what my body did. Then it did my body because I do a spinal C-section, so I get an injection in my spine. Not one injection, about 5 injections in my spine. So whole of my body, whole of down here, so go down the dead. So me give birth 7 something. I'm gonna recover room, so I back down in my maternity ward about 10 o'clock. So at that point, about half an hour after that, then carry baby come give me and me start live our breast. But me not feel none of what they must say they feel. But I know everybody is different. Everybody is different. Some people go through a lot of things, but some don't. So I didn't went through that. I didn't went through a lot of stuff, and I'm so glad because my dear friends. So some people say when they give birth, they feel like they might want to call, but me never have that they experience it. Yes, me they hungry, but me couldn't eat till in the morning, but me never they feel that. But I tell you no, it's like 3 months, yeah. Now 4 months now. It's like it's the last month. At the time they hungry start take me, because you spend time with baby suck you. If you are suck, if you are breastfeed, it's when you feed the baby and you hold the breast. My tell you one piece of hunger got take you in your belly gonna feel like you never eat. You don't eat cow, you don't eat post, rat, dog, anything in the kitchen, you don't have it. I tell you, that day, one piece of hunger got take you. So I experienced that. That's when I start feeling hungry. So most people after they give birth, they lose weight. Some people gain weight. Some people lose a lot and some people gain a lot. But for me, when I was pregnant, I did 180, and before I was pregnant, I did 150. So after I give birth now, I gone back right down to my normal size, which is 150. So right now, I'm still at 150. So I'm not gain no more, I'm not lose no weight. So I think I'm lucky, I don't know. So, and the next thing for me, my hairline. Me lose my hairline, and it caused through afterbirth, afterbirth, because I went to the doctor and the doctor said most people after birth they lose their hairline, and my hairline it gone right here, right throughout. So right through it's out, which means never they have a thin hairline. My hairline is thick, but because of that it's thin out. So that's another experience, and my hair grows. My hair grows. There. My hair grows. So some people then lose their hair drop off. Some people then baby not breathe and then their hair drop off. When I'm pregnant, my hair grow, and still after my hair still a grow. Which my hair like lose, me know which part of it lose. If I the extra grow, it just take them off back. But my hair grow a lot of new growth and it extended. But only thing for me, my hairline fell out. So for me, that's my experience. Yes, and for me my shoes them can't fit me. So my foot they swell. You see, most people when I'm pregnant and before they gonna have baby, they first swell. You see, my foot swell after me give birth. I don't know what, but after I give birth, my foot then swell up, and my body swell up. It come like say after me give birth, everything already something affect me. My swell, my foot then swell, and my shoes then my foot then go down, but my shoes then can't fit me. Most of my shoes then can't fit me now. A lot of them can't fit me. Most of my shoes they were like size 8. Come like some people start with size 9 now because my foot swell up. You know, swell like that, but I don't know where swelling there in hit, but you get my foot then swell. My foot then have a, so most of my shoes then can't fit me. So that's how I make go stock up pants, shoes and clothes. Most of them like well here so come breast then get bigger because obviously I'm breastfeeding, you know, so my breast will have milk on it, something on breast, so I go up there. So yes, basically I don't really go through a lot of stuff like what people go through. So that's for me. Most people go through a lot, most people lose weight and they mark out and they suck out and they, but I don't go through that. Thank God I haven't go through that. I mean I really want to go through that, so thank God. So yes, so basically that's my update for now, what I'm going through. I'm a baby at 4 months old. And guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. So if you reach the end of this video, you're a part of my gang, which is Lati gang. So thank you for watching. Please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will be linking the birth and delivery experience video in the description. So thank you for watching again, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and join my family. Peace out.